Hello friends, welcome back with one more critical reasoning question. Level is 1, range is 600 and topic is assumption. What does mean assumption? Assumption means a hidden premise, and that hidden premise can be taken from the argument. And what is argument? Premise plus conclusion is called argument. So in assumption question, our first job should be to find out argument, and after finding out argument, what is our job? To look at keyword and pre-assumption. All right, so let us move ahead. It says the earth resources are being depleted much too fast. To correct this, the United States must keep its resource consumption at present levels for many years to come. Now, because it is depleting, that is why it should keep its resources consumption at present level. All right, so it should stop consumption. So what is the keyword? Control. And if consumption control, deplete and depletion will be controlled. All right, so presumption will be after controlling consumption, depletion can be stopped, right? Let us move to options. By the way, this is your premise and this is your conclusion. All right, why X, therefore Y. X premise, that is Y conclusion. All right, now look at options. It says per capita resource consumption. Per capita resource consumption in the United States is at an all-time high. Now it is very specific. Why? Because it is talking about consumptions per capita. But what we need to understand that if consumption is stopped, depletion will be stopped. But here option E is about per capita resource consumption. So specific one, option A out. B, the United States waste resources out of scope. Why? Because it is not, passage is not talking about the waste, but the passage is talking about control. B out. C says the United States uses more resources than any other country. Unnecessary comparison. All right, because the passage is not about comparison, but the passage is about if consumption is controlled, resources can be stopped from depleting. Now option C out. D, the United States imports most of the resources it uses. Now again out of scope. Why? Instead of stopping, it is talking about outsourcing. All right, so D out, E remains best option. Why? So curbing the US resource consumption will significantly retard world resource depletion, what we have pre-assumed, and that's why E becomes best option.